Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, as you see in the title, I got my apartment. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a tour. Now there is some boxes and things around. Ignore the little mess because we're bringing things in already. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you a tour, so join me.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
All right, so this is like the main entrance of the apartment. Okay, so that's the main entrance. And then this is a lot of boxes, but this is my dining area. It's small, so I was thinking maybe of putting a little table against the wall. And then I brought my freezer. I think that's the spot that I'm gonna leave it at. This is my kitchen. Before I show you that, just showing you right here, this is like a pantry. Then I got some stuff that I still gotta put, like my picture frames. I have them there for now until I get some nails. I'm putting my food away in there and storing some things up there. And then this is just gonna be like the place where they take out their shoes and hang out their sweaters, jackets, backpacks, things like that. I was so happy that I was able to bring my fridge. I mean, it's kind of awkward where it's at, but if it's just right in there, we have it a little bit push up, but we'll move it a little bit more back after we plug it and clean it out. And yeah, this is my kitchen. I have my dishwasher, which I'm going to give it a try. If I don't like it, I'll continue washing dishes here. My counters. I don't have a lot of cabinet space, but I do have to put some bar stools in here. And then my stove, fridge, and this is my laundry room, washer, dryer. I'm trying to see if my husband does more shelving for me so I could put my kitchen things up there. And then I'll just take this one for detergent and stuff. And then these are it's like a double door to close that area. It's pretty cool. All right, so moving on from here, this is, like I said, the dining. This is my master bedroom. It's not so big, but it's about the size of my other one. It's just that, like, my other bedroom is just the angle of how it is. I only have one window, but I have a closet, guys. So that's pretty on the cool side. And I'm sorry that it's dark in here. Now, every room in here has a ceiling fan, but no lighting. So, I mean, I have lamps in my room, but I'm going to have to get some for the kids. And then I have my bathroom, which it looks better than the bathroom that I had over there. This bathroom, pretty cool. It's my bathroom. And moving on from here, I have my husband. He came with the apartment. You rent the apartment, you get a husband. And then this is where I'm gonna put my bar stools. Right now I have my daughter's pictures there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it there, but it looks cute right now. I don't want her to think that she's the only center of my attention. No, I'm just joking. But anyway, this is my living room here. I like the carpets in here. It's pretty nice. And they did paint the whole apartment, so that was cool. And I think the blinds are new. I like my view from here. I could look at the cars out there. And my husband brought that in the car. No, we haven't got the truck yet. I was just, he put it in the car. Don't ask me how. He's a man. He knows. And then over here, I'm not going to open it because it's just like the boiler, the AC. And then we got the kids' bathroom, which is huge. I love it. I already got a couple things like that from the dollar store, and these curtains from the dollar store as well. I like their bathtub too. It's pretty cool, nice, big. And then I have my linen closet here. I started organizing already. Everything was looking nice. And then this is my son's bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom. Me and my husband was debating whether we should give up the room with the bathroom just because of the size of this room. It's pretty huge. So my oldest is gonna sleep here with my youngest. Now we are mainly gonna take this room to like store like Christmas stuff. This closet, sorry, to store our stuff. Not the whole thing. We're gonna be fair and give him some space, but he gets a big room, but he don't get most of the closet. He's not gonna get that because we need the space. Now we sold a lot of things, and y'all know, but we still live in a big house, and we still a family of 6. So then this is my daughter and other son bedroom. So my 12-year-old with my daughter are sleeping here. I got our luggages up there. We love to go on cruises. We got to keep that. And she already was organizing her shoes. But I love her window. It's just like the living room is big. And I'm thinking, if possible, I'll get them to, we'll get them a full twin bed. So full, like, I'm sorry, bunk bed. I can't even speak today, but bunk bed. And yeah, this is my apartment. I'm already getting used to it. You know, it was hard at the beginning, like just to think about that I'm coming to an apartment. But as we started selling things and seeing that we are taking less, like these things are here, but we are organizing. And I think we haven't done that bad. My husband and I has got rid of so much. So, but there you have it. This is the tour of my apartment. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the apartment, let me know. I want to decorate this place. Of course, like, you know, I started working. So let's see how that goes. My husband is trying to see if he puts something up there. But other than that, I'm enjoying the apartment. I thank the Lord, and I'm enjoying working again and all this. So my first paycheck is Friday. I can't wait to get paid. But I am glad, you know, the house, we have it until the 30th. So that's why we are moving slowly, which is a benefit. I love this. I think if I ever move, I do it the same way now. It's less stressful. And then hopefully on Friday or Saturday, we'll rent that truck to bring everything else in here. But other than that, I am so thankful to God how everything has turned out. And thank you for your comments. Thank you for being here for me, for supporting me, for your words. I'm here, and I can't wait to see what the future brings us, especially when we're trying to bring our, you know, our debts, like, you know, bring them down or get out of debt and be financially free, hopefully. And yeah, that's the whole game plan of moving to this apartment. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, share with someone. Maybe they're going through the same situation of having to move from a big place to a smaller place. Just let them know that Diana wants to share the story, and just go ahead and share my video out so, you know, YouTube can know that your girl is creating some cool videos in here. But I guess I'll check you out in my next video. Peace.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?